Hi, this is Watson from 911 Studios, and today we're going to take a look at the Greenworks Pro 80 volt 2 amp hour lithium-ion battery. It has almost 1,000 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4.5 out of 5 stars. Very nice. You can also get this battery bundled with a charger or bundled with a spool of wire. Greenworks also makes batteries with different amp hours and specs, so check those out as well if you're looking for something a little bit different. Greenworks is all about one battery with multiple tools, but double check and make sure this battery fits the models that you have. It charges in 30 minutes to full capacity. Nice. The onboard LEDs tell you how much juice you have left. It's 6¼ by 4.5 by 3.5 inches and weighs in at 2.8 pounds. Now let me share with you a review from a verified customer called Works Great, Best to Have 2 so you can run non-stop. The batteries run for about 20 to 30 minutes, pending load of work you're giving the machine. I use mine in my snowblower. For my 3-stall driveway, I have 2 batteries, which was a game changer. I can be running one on the charger and the other in the snowblower. They charge super fast, and I can just switch them out as needed. Usually don't use full power out of both of them by the time I'm done with my driveway. Great products. Sounds good, that's great advice. You can never have too many batteries. So pick up yours today on Amazon Prime for free shipping and free delivery. You're gonna love it.